There, it wasn't too bad. Let me show y'all what bolts, not a how-to, but just the bolts you need to remove. This baby here, slide your winner out of the channel. Dang, I just dropped it. Add that little clip, slide all the way back. Take these 10mm bolts off, which mount here. This one is broke, but whatever, I can go to junkyard. And push this back in right here. Voila. She's in there. Clean. And also, I'm not putting any tint on none of my Caprices. All glass house. No tint. So, let me go on and button her back up. So, I'm going to have to reorder this inner trim because this thing here is falling apart. So, I guess I'll get it for all 4 windows. I don't know if it's 1 piece or 2 piece, but my boy hooked me up with some of these. So, I think he only got the front though, so I'm going to have to order the back too. And the front ones. Well, I don't know if I'm keeping these door panels or not. Yeah, so they only have them on the door panels, so I have to order the inner and outer window sweeps. So that's the progress on the 86 board. So let me go on and pop her back in, close the door, take her to get an inspection today. Need to get all this off of here. Cause it's about to rain, y'all see? That's why I had to do this window today. All right.